Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the...
Hey guys, welcome to the channel everyone. This is Mike with Door Lock Tips. Have you been looking for some obscure keys for your Detex alarm locks that are on your doors? Look no further. BlueDogKeys.com has a whole set of these bad boys. They're numbered and lettered BDDTXSET. That's the set you're going to want to get. It will open up all those siren type Detex locks. Here you go. Let me read just a little bit about them. Unlock any Detex cover lock instantly. The BDDTXSET set right here will do it. The BDDTXSET is a complete set of Detex cover lock keys, including the DT11 through the DT20. Well, I think you got it all here. This set provides access to various Detex cover locks. You know, those siren locks you've heard, that if you open, you know, the siren goes off. So you can change the batteries and get to the insides. This cover locks commonly found in commercial and industrial settings. These keys are essential for maintenance and security professionals. Nice. BlueDogKeys.com. Here they are. So let's get a close look at them. Well, here's the set, BDDTXSET, all for those Detex siren locks. Aren't they nice? These are beautiful. They're all pre-cut, so you won't have to have some kind of software to cut them. And you can get them from BlueDogKeys.com. There we go. Now, if you guys go to my community post, I have that all listed on my community post. That'll always be there for you as some kind of help. And you just drop down my community post, and there are the links where you can get these. And also, what's cool is you can cut these keys on a piece of software called Genericode. Isn't that cool? So Genericode, if you've got a laptop and you buy their software, you can cut these keys. So there's the key set right here. They'll fit right on your keychain or in your pocket. And if you run into those alarm lock, blow off a siren, and the battery's chirping and you need to get in, you're going to need this set. So these are for Detex locks.
If you work in a lot of facilities, I mean all over the place, and you can't open up one of these beautiful Detex alarm type locks, you're up a creek. Now, I used to save them when I worked in the hospitals, all these keys when I'd install them, because you know, they didn't have a set like this when I was in business. But look at this. You can get yourself these BlueDogKeys.com total set for Detex locks. You got to get it, guys, because they have such an array, this company, Detex, of many different locks. I mean, look at them. And if you don't have their up-to-date key, I mean, they change over the years. And look at the set. It's beautiful. All kinds of keys. You got to get it. And if you get it from Amazon, look at it. It's $12 a key. Get Blue Dog Keys complete set and you won't be unhappy. go ahead, pull the trigger. I give my vote of approval. This is Mike Walker again with Door and Lock Tips. I love these keys, and you're going to love them too. Thanks again. Don't forget to hit the like button. Tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way in the future. Yeah. I almost forgot. I've got a friend, Odin Locks. You got to check out his videos. He made the coolest impressioning tool. And I'm going to show it here at the end, so stay till the end. You're going to love this impressioning tool. He made it when he was working with, I think it was Harley. Well, let's let him tell the story. So let's tune in. Yeah.
Here's that one I made. It's just like the one ProLock had. It's not stainless. It's a A2 tool steel, I believe, but it's solid all the way down to the end there. Nice. I did that back when I worked at Harley. Machine that down. And it worked good. Looks real good.
Here's ProLock's beauty. Look at this. Tapered head. You can get right into a car ignition with this. If it has an edge on it, an older ignition, you can get right in there. Lightweight. They're steel up till about right there, but I like it. It houses its own wrench to tighten down on the keys. That's nice. I'm liking this tool. Made by ProLock. Looks like the ProLock is the 700 ProLock model. Great tool. Whoa, look at this blue beauty. Freeman's great impressioning tool. It's all knurled, made out of aluminum and steel. And you tighten up the back end here, and it tightens down on the key. Yeah.